What's up guys, Michael at Off-Road Family Adventures, another product video. This is a GoPro holder for the Seadoo Switch. This thing is pretty cool. I did make these clips a little bit snug so your GoPro is not going to fly off there, but take a look at these, how this works. So if you're doing the front of the boat, you know, if you want to do the side, front, whatever, but if you're doing the front of the boat, you just put this clip on like you normally would, snap it down, and now you've got your GoPro sitting right on the front of your boat there. Perfect spot. But if you're out anchored and so on, you want it on the side, this works well too. Put your anchor down or your GoPro in, you can video all the stuff that's happening outside the boat while everybody's playing around. And it's also going to come with a second mount. As you can see, it's going to orient your GoPro the other way. So if you were just using the side of the boat, you could actually even put the GoPro facing forward from the side of the boat. So in that orientation there, you can see you've got the clip on the side and the GoPro is facing forward or backwards if you want, but you can put this pretty much anywhere. Some people, like when we run the skis, we like to see the front of the ski in the video. This way you would see probably the front of the boat in the video. And like I said, these fit kind of tight. So to move this out of the holder, leave your GoPro attached and it'll slide out. If you don't have your GoPro attached on there, this is quite a chore to get this in and out. But right there, it's nice and easy. This is going to come with both pieces, front and side facing, and it's going to come with one GoPro screw and nut. There will be an option to add a second one, but most people only have one GoPro, so they're only going to do one at a time. So if you want to add the second screw in there, you can, but it will come with both pieces in your choice of colors. So as always, check the link in the description. These are available now. They're done, they're ready. Just tell me what color, we'll get them to you. As always, just like with the cup holders and so on, this will, in order to use this system, you will need to purchase the clips. Those are sold separately. Links are in the description. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe. If you want to be notified of each time I upload a video, just hit that bell right next to the subscribe. Thanks guys, we'll see you from the water.